Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it is your very first time today on my channel, welcome and welcome. I'm Adisang and this is my channel, aka your new home, and to ensure you've got the keys to your new home. All you gotta do is smash the red subscribe button below, get this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it, share it with your loved ones, and just like that, we are family. Na 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 na. And to those of you who are returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for always coming right back. Welcome, guys. So in today's vlog, so this is future me basically, and I realized I filmed this before today. I filmed this like a week or maybe a week and a half ago, or okay, maybe I might stretch it to like 2 weeks ago. And the reason I decided to film this was because at that point in time, so I'm a very like orderly person. I like my things in order, and when they're not in order, I sort of can't function properly, you know. So at that point in time, when I filmed this, when I started the vlog, I had been like, life has just been so busy this season. Life is just too busy, and I had just basically been in and out, doing things in such a hurry. That includes pulling things out of my cupboard. I wasn't like, you know, proper planning. Like, I was just pulling things out like a crazy person, and that resulted in my cupboard looking a mess, a huge mess. And every time, the next morning when I would wake up and try and find something else to wear, pull the next thing out, I would look at it and just be like, this does not look like my cupboard at all. I need to find time to organize it and to like put things in order. But I had also just like sort of wanted to do it when I do have enough time, so that I can even take out things that I don't wear anymore, things that I can give away. Some things, it's crazy, some things I had not really worn as well. By the time you watch this, I have already given the stuff that I wanted to give away. Maybe in the next 2 months I will try and do, depending where I'm at, I'll try and do the same thing again, you know, simply because I still think my cupboard is full, and I don't believe that I wear everything in there. Honestly, I don't. So yeah, so I just decided, you know what, film a different video, start a vlog, a cleaning, organizing vlog. And yeah, so that's where it started. It started with my cupboard, but then I decided also maybe just like include bits and pieces of like different parts of the house, and like different other things that I don't like, that I haven't really shown you guys much of. So yeah, it won't be everything. It's not going to be every room in the house. It's not going to be cleaning everything, but there will be bits and pieces that, you know, you will be seeing maybe for the first time, or that you will, yeah. So yeah, that's at this point I've said yeah so many times, and yeah. Yeah, bored. Okay, I need to find a different word. Anyway, let us get into the video, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you, it's still a bit of a mess. a bit, it's still a huge mess, but I've sort of started taking the clothes out, and I've taken almost all the bags out. These ones are still here. So I just want to show you the changes that I'm going to be making, and then you might see the mess that is currently. Yeah. Okay, let me just flip my camera. So I'm not going to really show you everything. My camera is currently charging. My phone is currently charging, and I want to let it charge. So if you, yeah, my camera is still not fixed. And if I'm being honest, I actually haven't made an effort to try and find a place that fixes cameras. I think I only asked like once on one of my social media platforms. I didn't even ask, like, I'm not sure if it was like Twitter or WhatsApp or Instagram. I just know that I posted somewhere. Did I actually post, or did I just search something along those lines? And that's about it. So yeah, this thing is not sitting properly. Let's flip the camera and see this mess. All right, so right here, which is like my eye level when I'm standing, is this used to be my tops. As you can see, still like tops. Okay, and then I don't know what the towel is doing there. And then right on top used to be just bags. There's the steamer and my makeup bag, which needs rescuing. I need a new makeup bag because that one is okay. So what I want to do is I am going to, because I'm getting rid of a lot of bags, I want to move things like my sweaters and like the really heavy stuff to put them here, and then I'll have the bags there. I think they should at least like one pile, just so that I sort of you know, make some space this side. So I'm gonna move them there, and then I'll have my bags and that makeup bag there until I find a place for it. All right, and then down here is the mess, guys. Please don't judge, don't ask me why there is thing, like I don't know, okay, I don't know. So there's still a few bags here, caps, bucket hats, so this part is like my bottoms, and this is like just full dresses, and yeah. And this is like gym stuff, and this is this thing that I'm using, this ladder. And then on the side, now I've opened it. On the side, it's blankets right on top. I think every cupboard in this house literally has blankets on top, well, except my cupboard, and I think hubby's cupboard as well, but I think all the others are like this. And then jackets, I've tried to split some of my jackets. Some of my jackets are in the office, the really heavy ones. So these are some of my jackets, but I think I still need, I lost it that I think last summer when I moved them to the office, but now I think I need to do it again and just like reshuffle stuff. And then down there is my shoes. I also need to check if it's everything that I'm wearing, well, like my closed shoes. Okay, I know those are not closed, but my sandals and my this side is like boots and slippers, and yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. And then sandals, pumps, sneakers are in the office, and there is a bag there, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is the space I'm currently going to work on, and let's see how we transform it. Okay, so this is the progress. The tops, obviously I haven't done much, but that's because they were frustrating me, so I moved to my bottoms. Those are my skirts. pants, pajamas, bags. So makeup bag, second toiletry bag, and then bags. That big bag at the back is actually carrying my clutch bags, my formal bags, and then the rest of these. Okay, then we have sweaters at the back. Okay, right. So that's the progress so far, and then the mess is still messing. Guys, I'm hungry. If I am keeping it 100 with you guys, I am hungry. Not only hungry, I'm tired. So I'm gonna take a break. Gonna go eat. I don't even know what I'm gonna make to eat. But in terms of clothes, to be honest, there isn't much that I've taken out. But I know some of it will come from my tops. With my skirts, most of them don't fit the way they used to fit, but they still do fit. So I'm kind of skeptical because it's so cute. And most of my skirts are really just like office stuff, and well, I do have a few casual ones. And then with my pants, it's literally two jeans. The other one I'm just holding on to because I don't know, but it's literally two jeans. No, actually it's two jeans that I'm holding on to with, you know, hopes of them fitting me at some point very soon. And then the rest of it is like shorts, and the rest is leggings. So yeah, and then my PJs. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know where I'm gonna put my toilet bag that I'm using now. Like, yeah, there's still, I'm sure there's still this toilet bag that I need to put, but I need to put it close by. And then my everyday bag, I just swapped it. I used to, if you remember, I used to use this as my everyday bag. I've just swapped it, and I changed. I'm so tired. I moved everything from that bag to a bag that I've never carried before. And I guess it's just a challenge. I just need to challenge myself to wear it or to carry it. So we'll see. And then even with some of these bags, I've never carried, okay, I've carried this black sling bag, but I haven't carried this one. And it's such a beautiful color, but I've never carried it. It's just like those really small bags. And then of course I've carried these two, carried that. There's a green one somewhere. It's very old. And then I've carried the rest. I should actually be getting rid of this big one as well, but I'm kind of also a bit reluctant to do so. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'm super tired. So let me go eat, and I'll come back to this hopefully with renewed strength. So this is a mess that is currently in front of Moa. It's a pile. This is a pile of clothes, dresses to be specific. And then this is that thing that I put my fragrances in, and a few other loose stuff. It's actually supposed to be just for fragrances and for face stuff. By face stuff I mean like my face masks, my sheet masks, and my clay masks, whatever, of course. And then I don't know how my cotton pads got there, but I'm gonna get those sorted. I'm actually thinking, yeah, let's end it here, and then I'll talk to you guys a bit later. But this, you guys, it's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need your love. I need to free my mind out. I really need your love. I need to free my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Just let me free and let me open my
morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hi. Good morning. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. Yo, what a morning. What a morning. What time is it? 9:15. Good morning. Top of the morning. I hope you guys are good. I'm good. I'm great. Feeling great. Feeling in control, which is great. Beast mode activated, okay? When I woke up, I was like, girl, put your gear on and activate that beast mode, okay? So I did that. Needless to say, it was intense, but I'm so glad I did it. I just want to take a quick shower, and then I want to first finish this, take a quick shower, and then work. Well, eat and then work. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are well. It is such, guys, okay, maybe I should stop complaining about summer, but summer, when I catch you, because tell me why it is extremely hot, like even before 8 a.m. it is blazing hot. Like now we can legit open our windows and doors but 6, 7, because it's so hot, yo. I'm so glad though our bedrooms are looking fresher because, you know, in spring summer we tend to have brighter bedding and, you know, more welcoming. I really don't like dark, especially covers. Actually, I don't like anything that's dark in the bedroom. So yeah, I'm just glad I actually changed mine today. It was still like okay, but that one was still like, this past night I was just like I even came into the lounge at some point because I was like, it is so hot. Like, you know, when you, because I slept quite early. I slept at like past 9, but I was up after 11 because of the heat. So changed my bedding. Tomorrow's Friday, which I'm supposed to do like the proper changing, like everyday sheets and pillowcases, those stuff. I haven't done that, but I'm contemplating if I should do it today and then not do it tomorrow, so that today everything is just like brand new on the bed. I'll think about it, but it kind of makes sense. Also because I'm gonna do laundry now, but I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow as well. But I have another workshop tomorrow, so well, it doesn't stop my laundry. We'll see. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi, hello, hi. Okay, let me go finish this up. I have just under 500 milliliters to finish, and then I'm going to jump into the shower. I had such a good workout, guys. I had a good workout. Did I tell you guys I did a workout on Monday and I suffered? Like pause type of suffer, like pause workout type of suffer. Yep, I did. Today's one, I was just like, girl, you're gonna finish. You are going to do this. And you know what? This girl did it. And I'm so proud of her. Guys, bye. I didn't intend on speaking for so long, but bye. Hey guys, so in this part of the video, of course you can't see my face, but it's not about me, okay? So I'm going to be cleaning my washing machine, the drum, because yeah, just to clean it, because there's a bit of a, it's not like a bad odor, but there is an odor that comes from after you've washed after you've used the washing machine for like a while and you haven't really focused on cleaning it. So I'm going to be running a, what's this, a cleaning load basically. I'm also going to add some bicarbonate of soda into the drum before I okay, let me do this. Let me bring you guys closer. So this is just to clean it. Yeah, so this is basically just to clean it and to ensure that everything is clean. I could add some vinegar as well. I'm also going to be cleaning the inner part of this once the cycle is done. So I'm just going to close it, and then we are going to move to drum clean. Wait, I actually don't. Okay, 1 2 3 4, wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so that's the drum clean, and it is about 1 hour 10 minutes. What do I want temperature? Okay, great, because I need it on a very high temperature. As you guys can see, it's on 95 degrees. And we're gonna start it. All right. Hey.
Oh, some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.